What's good? It's your boy Joneses. I'm finally back. It's been 2 weeks since I last uploaded, and you know, I've been out here just shopping, looking around, seeing what I like, and I finally got some heat. I ordered some heat. We got some stuff in. I bought these Vans in the mall. I want y'all to check out. They're pretty fire. But hey, I ain't gonna lie, it's good to be making videos again. It's been a little while. I got some more stuff coming in the mail. I got a giveaway coming up for a pair of kicks soon. Y'all are gonna like it, man. This week is gonna be a good week coming up. I got shoes coming in the mail, I got clothes, I got everything. And then I'm also making some moves. But y'all gonna have to stay tuned because what I'm doing, the video for that is gonna be crazy. But as always, man, let's get right into this video. So look, we're gonna open up these Vans first. Y'all already know how I feel about Vans. Y'all peep the hoodie, you see it. But this pair of Vans, I was chilling in the mall, right? And I was like, I want to get another pair, but I wasn't sure what pair to get. And I was just looking. I was about to buy like these weather Vans that kind of look like boots. And I was like, it was crazy. Excuse me. They went to see if they had my size in the boots, and they didn't have them. And I like turned my head and saw this pair, and I was like, yo, nah, get these size 10. I need them. This is what I want. They went and got my size, and y'all, look, just check these babies out. Whoo-wee. I bought some extra laces. They came with a pair of white laces, but I bought navy blue and red laces. I already laced these up, and they're already in the navy blues in the Vans. But just check this out. First off, check out the lace job, and then check out the Van itself. And bang, oh my goodness. When I tell y'all, this is probably one of the most fire pair of Vans I've seen in a hot minute. These Vans are hard. I'm really digging this pair. This colorway is sick. I've wanted a pair of checkered Vans for a while. I could just never find the right pair. And I finally found a good pair. But look at these Vans. They got the black checkers and then the blue in the middle with the white bottom. Y'all know how I feel about white bottoms. But you see, I put two laces in. It's the navy blue and the white laces. Excuse me, I'm a little sick. Got that corona though. But you see, I put the two laces in. I think it looks pretty dope. Some people said it looked alright. Some people said I should just do a single lace. Leave a comment in the comment section of what you think I should do. Well, should I leave it with the two color laces, or should I put just one single lace in? Let me know. Also, while you're here, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. We trying to get monetized out here. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs. I know I'm only at 100, but let's just keep subbing up. New people, hit the sub button. Look out for your boy. I'm telling you, I got some heat coming in. The channel's gonna start getting real entertaining within the next couple weeks. I'm telling you. But back to this shoe, I just really like. First off, it's an old school. Y'all know I like old school Vans, and then this colorway is just sick. Like I really dig this colorway. But one other thing I was thinking about doing with these was doing like one shoe have white and red laces, and then the other shoe have white and navy blue. Let me know if y'all think I should do that. I think that'll look pretty dope. But this pair of Vans is sick. This is probably like, they're definitely top 3. Number 1 is yacht clubs. Y'all know the yacht clubs are just the best Vans out. Excuse me. And then number 2, it's a toss up for number 2 between these and then the denim jean Vans. The denim jean Vans. The denim jean Vans. Those Vans are sick. I have that pair too, but they're beat now. And I'm thinking about getting a new pair. But, you know, rate these 1 through 10 in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the laces. I think it looks pretty dope. I'll get the other shoe out so y'all can check out the other shoe too. And boy, I'm telling you, I can't wait to rock these. Today we're just gonna be unboxing 2 pair of shoes just because I got more in store for the channel. I got more shoes coming in, and what y'all are gonna see in the future, y'all really gonna like. But y'all see both pair right here, or both shoes right here with the white and navy laces. You see the insides, and then brand new vintage. Got the little nice bottoms. I love this bottom of Vans, that like waffle bottom. But this colorway is just nasty. Like, can y'all see that it's blue? I'm not too sure if you can, but it's like in the middle, it's that tan off-white with the blue checkers, and then it's white with the black checkers. So I think this pair is just sick. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. 1 through 10 in the comment section. Drop a like on the video. But now up next this next shoe. Now, I was looking for a pair of shoes because I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired of spending over $200-300 on shoes. And everything I got coming in the mail are expensive shoes, and it's just ridiculous. So I was looking for a pair of shoes that were just like more chill, that I could wear. Not really chill, but like just a nice shoe that wasn't extremely expensive. And I came across this shoe. Now, I don't know if y'all can see the name on the box, but this is a LeBron shoe. I don't think it says LeBron right there. It says, oh yeah, it does. It says LeBron. It's a LeBron 16. Now, when I'm telling y'all, this shoe is just nasty. Like, I saw pictures of it when I was going to order, and I was like, okay, them look good. And they were on sale for like you can get a pair on GOAT right now for like $95, which is insane. Because LeBron shoes usually run for like $2, but they're an older generation pair, so I see why they're selling for a little bit less. But they got like the equality, which is like the white shoe and the black shoe. Those are running for like $200-300, and I'm just like, yo, that's crazy. And when I saw these and saw how low they were running for, I was like, wow, like there's no reason these shouldn't be running up there in the $200-300 range. But let's get into the shoe. Let's check it out. And we got these shoes. Oh my gosh, we got the Medicine Ball LeBron 16s, and look at this shoe. I don't care what anybody says, this is probably like the hardest shoe, one of the hardest LeBron shoes I've seen. I really don't care what anyone says. It came with this like wannabe little Jordan tag, but it's a Nike tag. I like what they're doing with this. I think that's pretty dope. But just look at this shoe. Y'all can't tell me this shoe is not hard. This shoe is extremely tough, and it's like, I like bulky shoes, so this is like the perfect shoe because it's like the right like amount of bulky, and then it's got the navy blue, which is like one of my favorite colors, with the tan. I just think the way everything comes together on this shoe just looks really good. And then you got the bottoms here, nice white bottoms, dead stock. These shoes are nasty, and I cannot wait to wear these. This is going to be one of the shoes I wear more often. Like, honestly, I'm probably going to wear it more often. And also, real quick, before we even go any further, hold up. Real quick, let me just show y'all something. Once again, I told y'all, if you don't got this, your shoes are fake. Sorry, hate to bring it to you. But y'all see, all my shoes come with this unless I buy them in the mall, because I shop straight out of GOAT. But anyways, I almost dropped that. Anyways, these shoes are just, they're nasty. Like, you can't say that these aren't hard. Like, just look at it. Tell me, y'all cannot sit and tell me that these shoes are not hard. These are probably some of the hardest shoes I've seen in a while. And like, out of the LeBrons, like, I've seen some hard LeBrons, but I just really think that these are like one of the top, for me, they're top 10 colorway, easily top 10. And there's a bunch you could throw in there. They might be, in my opinion, they might be top 5, but there's a lot of colorways that LeBron's come out with that are just, he's had some heat. But I got a bunch of stuff coming in, y'all. You know, rate these 1 out of 10 in the comment section also what you think. And this giveaway that I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna give away a pair of like ones or something. I got something coming up. Y'all are gonna see a video I'm gonna drop with me doing something with a pair of ones, and I think when I'm done, I'm gonna give that pair of ones away. Just a little bit of like customization, but I'm gonna give those away, and we'll get into more details on that in the next video. But you know, I just wanted to update y'all on what's going on with me. I've been looking for shoes. Like, I want to get the right shoes because I like to wear my shoes. I don't want to keep buying shoes that I cannot wear. So I've been out looking for shoes that I can actually wear. And excuse me, I've ordered a couple pair of shoes that I'm actually going to wear, and I can't wait. I can't wait for y'all to see them. I'm happy to unbox them with y'all. These, I cut the box open, and these weren't that exciting, as in like a pair of Jordans that I'm going to have coming in, but still, I want to unbox the shoes and show you guys what I'm getting. And my collection it's getting up there. Like, it's getting better and better every day. But I got a lot of good stuff coming in. You see, I already got the off-white ones. I got my 9s, I got these, and then I got a crap ton of Vans. But y'all are gonna see, coming real soon, the collection is gonna start getting crazy. And next week when I'm dropping these videos, all I'm gonna say is I told y'all so. That's all I'm gonna say. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed showing you guys my not updated sneaker collection, but like some of the shoes that I'm getting. You know, just something normal. I don't want to be out here just copping every single Jordan just because I'm not a hype beast. I want to wear my shoes. I don't want to get shoes that I can't wear, but I will get shoes that I can resell, which is probably what I'm going to do with my off-white ones. But hey, like I said, it's your boy Joneses, man. I appreciate the love. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and you know, leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, I'm dripped out. It's your boy Joneses, and I'm out.
Chase, I love you.
Why niggas hate? Look at this money I'm chasing. I don't want no bitch that be basic. If she leave, I'ma bust down to replace. I'm tryna double my savings. I'm tryna triple my savings. Quadruple the savings. Spin the block back and forth just like we pace it. I ain't asking for shit, so I might as well take it. Give me do this shit by myself, I ain't ask for no favors. Ask for no favors. And I'm cut for this shit like I'm built from a razor. And my name gon' be big like the motherfucking mayor. Yeah, like the motherfucking mayor. And the hater ain't give me no motherfucking paper. Nah, so it's fucking hate. Fuck.